How cool is it when you receive payment notifications on your mobile phone early in the morning? Imagine receiving messages like this. You just earned $250.90. And before you can turn around in your bed, you receive another notification that says, "Congratulations, you just made $460, and this will automatically be deposited into your account." A lot of people are receiving payment notifications like this, and you too can start receiving such messages. Just pay attention and watch this video till the end, because I'm going to change your perspective about making money online today. I'm going to reveal 5 different free apps that will pay you automatically without you doing any work. The little work you will do is downloading the app and log in daily to claim your money. These apps are 100% free, don't need a credit card, and no investment is needed. The best part is they work in the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Philippines, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Vietnam, and other countries in the world. But before I start, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe. The name of the first app that I will show you is InstaGC. You can check out InstaGC. This app will work on Android and iOS devices. Basically, when you visit the Facebook page of InstaGC, you can see their name and logo on the Facebook page. You'll also see their payment proofs, and the best thing about this app is their transparency. They're super transparent, and as you can see here, congratulations for redeeming a $75 PayPal. You can see the actual payment proof here. And if you don't have a PayPal account or bank account, you can also redeem your money via a free Amazon gift card. As displayed on this platform, you can earn points for what you love doing online. For instance, you can complete some simple surveys just by clicking on a few buttons, and you can get paid. And if you invest 10 or 20 minutes of your time in a day, you can simply search on the web, you can browse on different websites, search on Google, and you will get paid for every single minute that you do it. Besides, I prefer this method, which is watching videos. This is one of my favorite, and it's so easy. Simply click on the play button and let the video run in the background, and you can open up multiple tabs to watch a lot of videos at the same time. And on top of that, you can watch videos and do some surveys or search on the web at the same time. And that's how you can build multiple streams of income from just one single app. If you want to download this app, all you need to do is join InstaGC using Facebook, Twitter, or Google. And if you don't want to go through Google or Facebook, you can just simply enter your username, your password, and email address, and click on this button to sign up, and you can instantly get 10 points for free as well. Now moving on to the second app, the name of the second app is App Karma. With App Karma, you can earn rewards by simply playing with this app. And this is 100% free, you don't need to invest any money. And the best thing about this is that they are compatible with iOS and Android devices. Now you can earn the points on this app. You can redeem them on PayPal or different top brands gift cards. And all you need to do is click on this button to grab App Karma right on your phone. And once you install this app, you'll automatically get 300 points for free. And every 100 points are equal to $1, which means they're going to give away $3 for free without doing anything. You can also make more money on App Karma by referring people to this app. You can do that using your referral link or your referral code, and you can earn 30% of what your referrals earn. Now say for instance, if you refer one person and this person makes $100, you are going to earn $30 for free without doing anything, and that's insane! The reason why this app is so powerful is that you can simply log in and earn daily rewards, and on top of that, every single time when you complete certain achievements or once you finish certain tasks, they are going to give you different badges, and all of these badges will help you to level up. As you can see here, you can increase your reward level every single time you earn all of these badges, and that's going to give you an extra 12.5% of the bonus, and you can multiply your earnings. For instance, you're making $100. You can go and turn this 100 into 125 by simply using these badges, and that's crazy. So make sure to check out all of the achievement badges and get as much as possible to increase your earnings. The third app that I want to show you today is called Cashkick. You can check out cashkick.com. This website doesn't use any point system. They'll straight away pay you hard cash, so basically, cash is the greatest reward. They'll deposit all of the cash into your account, they can do bank transfer, and they can do PayPal money. So once again, on this website, you can answer different surveys, you can find different great deals, you can watch videos, you can surf the web, and this is just like InstaGC, but they will pay you more than InstaGC. And once again, I want you to focus on watching videos, because that's going to pay you more money. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you need to do is enter your email address, your password, and click on this button to get started. The fourth app is called Superpay. You can visit superpay.me. Basically, you can make money online with free paid surveys today, and they make fast payments within 24 hours. You can receive your money, and they have a really low cash out threshold. You can work from home, and you can do as much or as little as you want. And once you join today for free, you'll automatically receive 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. This app has also paid out over $3 million to all of the members worldwide. And once again, the concept here is really simple. You can join today for free and instantly receive 20 cents bonus when you join. And you can take part in different surveys and complete different offers. And once again, you can get paid and cash out your earnings through different payment options like PayPal, Tango gift card, Amazon gift card, Skrill. They're super transparent about other payment proofs. You can see who got paid today, and right here you can see all of the member names, their usernames, and the payment type. You can see here most of them cash out using PayPal. You can see their earnings right here. Simply click on the button right here and join for free. After signing up for free, fill up your details and your mailing address, and once again they're accepting people from different countries in the world, and this is accepting worldwide. You can proceed to enter your payment details so you can get paid once you complete all of the tasks. And you can just read their terms and conditions and click on I agree, click on this I'm not a robot, and create a free account. Now for the last app, visit smartapp.io. You can install and download this app for free on your mobile phone, and without doing anything you can receive money every single month. So basically this is how it works. You can just sign up for a free account and take a very simple survey to make sure that you are accepted. After you get accepted and qualified, you can download and install it on your device, and make sure you turn on your mobile phone daily so that you can receive free rewards and free cash on your mobile phone. Now, if you want to install this app and sign up for a free account, all you need to do is click on this button, I would like to sign up, and that's going to direct you to this page to answer a simple survey. And once you qualify, you can install this app on your phone and you can earn passive income without even doing anything. Do you want to learn how you can earn $200 every 4 minutes from Google for free? If yes, click here.